Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2010 Kia Sportage. As always, it's located behind the glove box, and on the Kias and Hyundais they just have two little knobs that you just remove on either side of the glove box. Just pull it out. Then take the little strap off on the left hand side of the glove box, and the glove box just lowers down. Your cabin filter is located behind this cover, and it just unclips like that. You just squeeze the little tags in on the side of it, on the cover. Pull the old cabin filter out. Try not to get any of the debris or leaves to fall in the fan below. Slide in your new cabin air filter, red acrylic base on the bottom. These are a little bit of a tight fit on thickness, so when you put it in, you just have to ease it in at the back, and then slide it all the way in. And as you can see, they're a nice tight fit, so you just got to push them in gently. Reinstall your cover. That side there goes in a little slot on the other side, closest to the driver's side, and that just clips in. Close your glove box, put the small strap on the left hand side back on, it just pushes on. Relocate your stop, so just go back in these holes here. Job done.